Hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk about how to make a classroom style video. We know that we can make video in many different formats, but when you want to show your face as you are talking and you want a whiteboard or blackboard on your left or right side so that you can write, uh, this is not as straightforward as the selfie style video, but I'm going to talk about that because I make this type of video. So I'm wondering if I upload this on the YouTube, maybe some other people will be benefited. So let's get started. So what you need first? What you need first is hardware. First of all, we need hardware. Now don't get scared. Hardware means, first of all, you need a computer or laptop. Okay, laptop. I don't use laptop for these purposes because I want to rely on a powerful desktop because you need a good processor and graphics card, etc. So I don't use that, but you can use it. There are some benefit because on the laptop you have the built-in microphone and the camera, etc. But for the desktop computer, you need to have a good piece of microphone. Let me write that. Microphone. Now, whatever I'm using, I don't demand that this is the best one, but this is the cheaper version. The name of this that I use is Razer. I bought it from Amazon. I think it was $50 or so. And I need a webcam as a hardware, right? I need a webcam. For me, it is cheap, very cheaper version. Nex Ego. Okay, this is the one that I use, but this is a cheaper version. But these days, you can buy some AI-driven better options are there on the Amazon. This morning I saw that something $140 or so if you want a good quality. But for me, it is good. Now, hardware-wise, what I need. I don't think that I need anything. So now, software-wise, what I need is, the first thing is you need a video editing software, and I'll just strongly suggest that this one I'm making using the OBS Studio. Okay, OBS Studio is a very famous video editing software. This is versatile. You can do so many things. If you want to be a professional video editor, then there are many skills that you need to learn. But for me, I just only know the basics, how to do that. Now momentarily we are going to talk about the basic things that you need to make a classroom style video. But OBS Studio, the benefit is this is free, entirely free. You can use that. OBS Studio is number one, and then for the blackboard or the whiteboard, you need a software, right? So that you can write, which is, for my case, I use pretty basic software, which is Smooth Draw. Okay, Smooth Draw you can download and install that on your computer. And the other thing that I forgot is other thing that is hardware. Actually, hardware. You need a graphics tablet for sure, right? And this is about I think 100 or 120 bucks. The best one is Wacom. I use Wacom. Again, I'm not promoting any of the hardware or piece of hardware that I mentioned here. Whatever I use, I just mentioned. Okay, so these are the software and hardware I need. And then first thing is you open up the OBS Studio. Okay, OBS Studio, and you need to do some pretty basic setup. For example, sources. Okay, so you need couple of sources. First of all, you need a mic or auxiliary. Okay, now you have to create this source or scene. Okay, and if you have more than one audio source or microphone, then you have to, there is a drop down that you can pick up the options, and there are some other properties that you can change if you want to. So make is one. Other than that, without this you cannot even talk, right? So you need this. And then for this particular video, as you can see that I have a logo, so this is just a text input or logo or graphics. Okay, graphics. I have a file, so I just place it on the screen. That's it. Another text input is, as you can see that below my below my picture or video, you see something that you don't know that would, which kind of text is it. This is actually Bangladeshi or Bangla text. Now the idea is I put something like that so that this is the topics, or this is something I want to talk about, a title or whatever. It just can be a slogan or anything that you, any phrases that you like, you can put there. Okay, now it's entirely up to you that you can design your screen in so many different ways, but I try to make it simple, so I put that. And webcam is definitely another one. As a source or as a scene, you have to put that. And then whiteboard, just I named it whiteboard, just like this is something where I'll write, and in my case this is the software, which is a Smooth Draw. All right, now so after setting these things, I have to open up the Smooth Draw. Smooth Draw is a piece of software that I'm writing. Okay, now you have to be a little bit strategic in that when you create a scene as the whiteboard, and on the drop down you have to say that this is Smooth Draw, then the whole screen will be shown. So what I did is I just tried to push it on the upper left corner so that the menu and the icon bars and the color palette, you cannot see that. Okay, so for example, I'm just changing color, but you're not seeing this, right? I'm changing color. Okay, just to give a professional look, I do that. Okay, now once everything is set up, I can just talk, I can draw picture, I can just like x cube plus 2x square. I can do some mathematicals, whatever. And like if you use the Smooth Draw, that just there's a hotkey Control plus delete, and that will clear your screen. And I think this is pretty much it. I don't think that I have forgotten any of the other things. No, there is no other things. So this is pretty simple. And one of the advantages of using OBS Studio, that it is free. Okay, and the other advantage I did not mention is the file size is not giant. Okay, so for example, if I make a video about 30 minutes, okay, now if you exactly put the video screen like this, what I'm doing right now, so a 30 minutes video will be 30 megabyte. And of course there are some settings that if you like I'll suggest that you put your video not that much, like I think there are some properties that you can change if you want to make your video like crispy or better quality or not. I usually pixel wise I put it lower in graphics, so that because my purpose is to write on the screen, right? To write and just explain things. Anything you can draw. Happy face. Okay, you can do so many things. It's easy. Okay, very easy. You can change color whenever you like to do, and you can do so many things. Okay, so this video is meant for me so that I forget what I did to make this classroom style video, so that I can revisit on the YouTube. At the same time, so other people can be benefited if they want. Thank you very much for watching.